Hello friends, I have a leaking toilet where water drops from under tank to the floor. Right now the drip problem is so low that I kept a bowl under it and it gets few drops every day. So can continue like this for months, but I looked under the tank and looks like it's a mess. Bolts are completely rusted and deformed already, so I need to fix the leak. This is a common problem with toilets as with time the washers which stops water from leaking lose their shapes, and once water starts leaking, within no time it damages all bolts and everything else on its path. Your floor will also get damaged as water will slowly drip on the floor. The fix is pretty generic. You need brass plated bolt set which are nothing but a set of washers, some nuts and bolts and a rubber gasket for mid support. Available at Lowe's or Home Depot and other hardware stores. To replace it, first switch off the water supply. Flush the toilet. Remove extra water with sponge or piece of cloth as we don't want to spill it on the floor. See what water does to gaskets and washers and metals over many months. It's completely lost its shape and form. Here in my case, one of the two bolts come off easily, but the other one, which is damaged due to leak, was difficult to remove. I tried different things. First to cut with a saw. Used WT-40 to loosen it from rust, but it doesn't come out. Finally, I used a bolt cutter to cut it. Then I install the new gaskets and bolts back in place. It's an easy process. Just make sure you don't try to tighten the bolt too much. The tank may crack during this process. Now you may go with one prepared for your specific Commode brand and model, or if not available, you may try the universal one. If you already have dismantled the existing setup, then it's better to carry the existing gaskets and bolts during store visit so that you can get exact or very similar match. Here, tighten the outer bolts so that the tank sits firm on the toilet base. Takeaway from the project is, as a proactive measure, check tank base every few months for water leak. Once it starts leaking, the bolt starts rusting and situation deteriorates very quickly. Last thing we want is a completely deformed bolt which is very hard to unmount. Switch on the water supply, flush couple of times to see if things working fine. Come back after 4 to 6 hours or a day and check if you see any water coming out under the tank or on the floor. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Also please provide your feedback in comments section. Wish you all the best.